Okay. Hi, welcome to the vlog.
Hello, welcome to the first part of the vlog.
You know what is seaport?
Sorry, Cecil, accident.
Welcome to the vlog. Billy doesn't want to be here. As why? As do Nurin.
Hujan, hujan.
It's a very nice day, won't you say, Nurin?
Are you
Hello. How do you do? Are these the buildings? We are now in London, my friend. And this is us, my fellow friend too. And this is... Ano macam secap macam Arab.
Okay. Hi, welcome to the vlog.
Hello, welcome to the first part of the vlog. The first part of 3,876.
As you can see, there's the London Bridge. London Bridge. London Bridge. Look,
Where's London Bridge?
there.
Falling down.
This.
See it?
There.
Oh, okay. Sekejap, zoom. Oh, ni.
Smoking up, make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate.
Snow is coming. Oh my god.
It's snowing, it's almost...
Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up.
I'm trying to cycle as slow as seaport. As my name is seaport. You know what is seaport? You don't know.
Headed to lectures.
Yeah, it's very far. As always.
You know, even jump into your skin and then you will
Open up.
Sorry, Cecil, accident.
Welcome to the vlog. You're in it. It's Cecil. Patutin mo din punya video, YouTube channel. We've reached the class. As you can see, these are all... What is she doing? Kelly doesn't want to be here. As do I. As do Nurin. Let me film Nurin. This is the face of the people who doesn't want to go. Welcome to the vlog, everyone. This isn't my vlog, batik saja. Hi.
Shutting down like open up, open up.
Okay, snow is coming.
Hujan.
Makanan tersekat di saluran pernapasan.
Oh. Circumventory plan. This is Jai.
Jangan. Makan.
Gigit.
No?
Get ya. The doors open. Associate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot. Take that high road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open up.